Look at these bills. How are we going to manage this? I don't know, but we have to figure something out soon.
Financial emergencies never arrive at a good time. They don't check your savings account or wait until life feels stable. One unexpected bill, a car repair, a medical expense, or a sudden drop in income can flip your world upside down in minutes. And when that happens, the biggest problem isn't always the money, it's the panic that follows. When panic takes over, your brain goes into survival mode, and that's when people make decisions they later regret, like borrowing under pressure, maxing out credit cards, or shaming themselves into feeling stuck. And here's something that needs to be said out loud. Many responsible, hard-working people face financial emergencies without savings, not because they failed, but because life happened. The first step in any financial emergency isn't finding money. It's calming your nervous system enough to think clearly. Before reacting, pause. Even a few minutes of stillness can help your brain shift out of urgency mode and back into problem-solving mode. Next, separate shame from strategy. This isn't a moral failure, it's a logistical problem, and logistical problems can be solved step by step. And instead of aiming for a perfect financial plan, focus on short-term cash flow and temporary relief. The goal is to stop the bleeding, not fix your entire financial life overnight. Most advice jumps straight to budgeting or saving, but that doesn't help when a bill is due right now. What actually helps is knowing where to look for cash fast, in realistic places people often overlook because stress narrows their vision. There are ways to buy time, reduce immediate pressure, and protect your future self at the same time. But only if you approach the situation calmly and in the right order. That's why I created a free guide called 5 Steps to Find Cash Fast When You Have No Savings. It's designed for real life, not ideal circumstances, and it walks you through a grounded, practical framework to help you regain clarity, find fast options, and move forward without guilt or panic. If you're dealing with a financial emergency now, or you want to feel safer knowing what to do before the next one hits, you can download the free guide using the link below and keep it somewhere safe. You're not behind, you're navigating life, and you don't have to do it alone. Get your free guide by clicking the link in the description below this video. Subscribe for more tips and hacks.